Start. Good morning to all of you. The topic regarding the CNS depressant, the poison that included in the CNS depressant are the alcohol, analgesic, barbiturate, and the chloral hydrate. So these are also known as inebriation, because this substance produces effect known as inebriation, and the inebriation is also known as intoxication. That is a light headache, confusion, disorientation, and drowsiness are the main effect that are produced when the consuming of these substances. So that's why this effect is known as inebriation, and the poison that causing this effect, it is known as inebriant. So there are alcohol, it will be included in this category. Several types of alcohol, but the most important from the clinical and the forensic point of view, it is a ethyl alcohol. It will be also known as grain alcohol because it is by processing such distillation, it is easily derived from the grain. Three categories mainly: monohydroxy alcohol, dihydroxy alcohol, and the trihydroxy alcohol. These are the, as I told you, it is a inebriant poison, produces intoxication, and substances that are producing such effect, it is known as alcohol, chloral hydrate, peraldehyde, hydrocarbon, barbiturate, benzodiazepine, and anesthetics. There is after consuming such a poison, there is a recovery after prolonged sleep with some after effect like the headache, irritability, lethargy, nausea, and the abdominal discomfort. Ethanol, it is another name, it is ethyl alcohol, grain alcohol, C2H5OH, it is a chemical formula, the clear, odorless, volatile liquid with a characteristic fruity odor and the sweetish burning taste has been arrived from the ethyl alcohol. It is both water as well as lipid soluble. Because of that, it is also known as amphophile. The general formula, it will be ROH, and the specific gravity is about 0.79, means 1 ml of alcohol as a weight is about 0.79 gram. Beverage is mixture of ethyl alcohol and the water with small amount of alcoholic container that is added with impart characteristic odor and the taste. So this is known as beverages. Alcohol as the containers means various beers, that will be whiskey, wine, all have a specific taste, and these tastes are due to some substances that are added. It is known as alcoholic containers. So that will be propyl alcohol, octyl alcohol, glycerin, aldehyde, various esters, dimethyl and the diethyl, ketones, trimethyl amines, allyl mercaptan, diethyl sulfide, and the pyrogen. These are the various substances that are added, and due to this, such flavor of the alcohol is present. Sources and the preparation, it is produced by the fermentation of the sugar by the yeast. The process which it is a halt when the concentration reaches 15% because of the death of yeast above this level. The sugar from the cereal or the vegetable or the fruit that is used for the production of such alcohol, cereal that is used as a raw material, it was first malted, that is converted starch to maltose, as yeast cannot ferment starch, and the malt by moistening the barley, allowing to sprout, dried, grounded, added to the cereal in water, and it will be formed the mass-like substances. There is a beer, it is brewed by the filtering mass and then treating the filter liquid with the yeast. So the production first produce, it will be a beer, and the yeast, the fermentation will be held at the level of 15%, and then distillation process has been started to produce a distilled spirit. Whiskey or the strong alcoholic preparation made by adding yeast directly to the mass, then distill it after the fermentation. This distillation will be increasing the concentration of the alcohol in the liquid. What are the various alcoholic beverages types? That will be, first will be the malted liquor. That is the fermented product but undistilled liquid, for example beers and the stout, wine. That is the fermentation of natural sugar, that is the grapes and the fruit that has contained the natural sugar, and fermentation of this sugar will produce is a wine. So it is also undistilled, dry wine and the sweet wine are the type of such. There is a light wine, claret or the cider, in which there is the alcohol concentration is less than 15%, fortified wine. that has the concentration is about 16 to 25%. It will be known as port, sherry. Distilled beverages are added from the outside. Effervescent wine, that is a champagne. These drinks are bottled before fermentation is complete. That will be 12 to 16% of alcohol. Spirit, that have the distilled drinks, and they have the concentration is about 40 to 55% of alcohol. That is the whiskey, gin, brandy, rum, and the vodka are the known as spirit liquor. There is a specific word associated with the alcohol. That is what do you mean by denature? Denature, in which it is alcohol that is a prescribed manner. That is, denature means it is a alter in the process of nature. So that's why it is unfitable for the consumption of such. It is unfit for the human consumption. It is known as denatured spirit. It will be mostly used for the industrial purposes. Liquor, that will be spirit, denatured spirit, wine, beer, toddy, and any liquid which contain the alcohol. It is known as liquor. Another will be country-made liquor. It is known as arrack. That have the concentration is about 37 to 45%. Distilled from the palm, rice, sugar, cereal, or the jaggery, and has a strength of about 40 to 50% as whiskey and brandy or the gin. It produces more intoxicating effect because it is impure and contain a higher concentration of higher various alcohol, that it will be amyl as well as butyl alcohol. Sometimes there will be to produce the greater excitation effect, substances such as added various known as chloral hydrate to produce the kick effect. So this chloral hydrate producing kick effect, that's why it is also known as knocking effect, and such drops it is known as knockout drops. And the potassium provides for getting a greater kick. Indian made foreign liquor, there is a whiskey, gin, brandy, and the rum. Foreign liquor, that will be portable duty paid about the foreign liquor. Rectification, in which liquor is purified and the refined after making it potable. Distilled spirit refer to alcohol which has been extracted by the evaporation and the condensation, that is the whiskey, brand, gin, rum, etc. These are known as distilled spirit. Fermented spirit are the refer to alcohol that is obtained by the simple fermentation. For example, beer and the wine are the simple fermentation, that are directly fermentation of the sugar of the various substances. Toddy, fermented or the unfermented juice that is drawn from the coconut, grape, date, or the any palm tree, and the substances that produces this effect, it is known as toddy. Sweet toddy, or it is known as nira, unfermented juice that is drawn from the coconut, grape, date, or any palm tree, and that will be collected into the treated in the prescribed manner so as to prevent such fermentation. What are the various types of alcohol? That will be absolute alcohol that have the concentration is about 99.5% of ethyl alcohol. Rectified spirit has an alcohol concentration is about 95% ethyl alcohol. Third one will be the industrial or the methylated or the denatured spirit, that will be mixture of 90 to 95% of alcohol, 5 to 10% methanol will be added, and 0.5% pyridine that will be used as a solvent or the fuel. Surgical spirit, it is also known as content of the surgical spirit, it is a methylated spirit plus castor oil plus oil of wintergreen. Now what is another substances that will be known as proof spirit? There is a standard mixture of alcohol and the water of relative density. There is a 12 part of alcohol and the 13 part of water at a 51 degree Fahrenheit. There is a 10.5 degree centigrade. That is a 49.28% of alcohol by weight or the 57.06% by the volume. Dividing alcohol percentage by 0.571 give the proof strength of the alcohol. That will be 43% of whiskey at a 75 degree proof strength. In the US, that will be proof will be whatever the alcohol concentration present in the available in the liquid, double the concentration, it will be known as proof of that alcohol, proof of that liquid. Purity of alcohol when proved, that it is known as proof spirit. What is the uses of alcohol? The first, most of all used, it will be used as the beverages, beer, wine, vodka, whiskey, rum. Indigenous, that will be arrack, toddy, and the feni in the India. This same will be known as tequila in the case of Mexico. In the case of Japan, it will be known as sake, or in the case of France, it will be known as fruit brandy. it is also used as a solvent for the aftershave, for the mouth washes, as well as for the use of perfumes. This will be used. It is used for the medicinal purpose, antihistaminic, decongestant, and the cough syrup, antiseptic, ethanol sponging in the hyperthermia, injection in the trigeminal neuralgia. That will be helpful in the treatment. Antidote for the methyl alcohol, it will be the ethyl alcohol. Preservative for the viscera, for the chemical analysis. In that case, viscera has to be ideal preservative, the rectified spirit, and it is also used for the fuel. What is alcohol unit? That is the one standard drink is about 10 gram percentage of absolute alcohol. It is known as 1 unit. Amount of alcohol that will be consumed, it will be expressed in the unit, and this unit will be standardized about 8 to, and the 1 unit is having the content about 8 to 10 gram of alcohol, which is equivalent to the half pint of beer, 30 ml of spirit, or the 1 glass of table wine. Drinking become problem at level when it will be above the standard limit, and the standard limit for the men, it is about 21 unit per week and 14 unit per week for the woman. So these are the various standard liquid. Approximately percentage of alcohol in the case of by volume, the rum contain about 50 to 60%. Whiskey, gin, brandy, it contain about 40 to 50%, 45%. Unfortified or the natural or the table wine, it contain about 9 to 15%. Fortified wine, there is a sherry as well as port, it contain 15 to 20%. Light beer having the 3 to 6%. Heavy beer, that will be, the concentration is about 6 to 8%. 210 gram of alcohol in the case of male and the 140 gram in the case of female per week. It is a safe limit. If liver damage is to be avoided, means if there is a some liver damage, then this will be the further reduce of the safe limit. What is the pharmacology? In the case of, it will be rapidly absorbed from the GIT, and the most important aspect of GIT, that is the mostly absorbed from the proximal small bowel intestine. Then it will be, means 80% absorbed from the small intestine, 20% from the stomach, large bowel, and then will be mouth as well as esophagus. Rapidly equilibrate in the blood and the all tissue, 80% from the upper part of intestine, duodenum and the jejunum, and the 20% from the stomach. Most rapid at concentration of about 20%. It will be high in moderate alcohol concentration in the empty stomach, almost insoluble in fat, carbonated drink, and the warm drink hasten the absorption, means there will be, whenever there is a alcohol that has been taken with the carbonated drink or the warm drink, then absorption will be the increases. Blood alcohol concentration will be higher in the obese person and female than the male, means blood alcohol concentration will be more in the case of obese person as well as in the case of female. Blood alcohol concentration will be higher in the alveolar breath than in case of venous blood. In the case of metabolism, there is about 2 to 10% of blood ethyl alcohol will be excreted in the lungs, urine, sweat, and the increased clearance with the high blood level. 90% metabolism in the liver, there is the alcohol dehydrogenase pathway, in which ethyl alcohol will be converted into the acetaldehyde in the presence of aldehyde, alcohol dehydrogenase, and this acetaldehyde further converted into the acetate by the aldehyde dehydrogenase enzyme in the presence of NAD will be converted into the NADH, and this acetate will be further converted into the CO2 plus water. Second pathway will be the macrosomal ethanol oxidizing system. It will be highly inducible. The third one will be the peroxidase catalase system. So these are the metabolism pathway of the alcohol in the case of liver. This metabolite results in the many of the metabolic derangement that will be seen with the chronic alcohol abuse, and this chronic alcohol abuse having the further concentration of lactic acidosis, in which there is a uric acid will be increased, there is a increased lipid, and the glucose will be decreased, there will be protein will be decreased because more the protein will be passed into the urine. Acetaldehyde block the protein secretion from the liver cell. There will be increased protein, fat, water deposition, and it produces a liver edema or the liver damage. It will be easily crosses the placenta. It will be inhibit and causing the DNA methylation process will be inhibited, and that's why there is an effect that is known as fetal alcohol syndrome. Fetal alcohol syndrome, what is the characteristic? In that there will be ear abnormality that will be seen. There will be indistinct philtrum, micrognathia, thin upper lip, flat mild face and the short nose. There will be soft palpebral fissure and the epicanthal fold. So these are the effects. It is known as fetal alcohol syndrome. What is the mode of action? It will be inebriation poison and the well-known stimulant, but also having the selective CNS depression. So primarily it will be reticular activating system will be the effect produced, and further in the case of alcohol it produces frontal lobe more sensitive to even low concentration, and it produces mood changes. It will be again in the frontal lobe. After the frontal lobe damage there will be occipital lobe damage, and that's why there is a visual disturbance effect produces, and lastly there will be cerebellum will be damaged. So that's why person having the alcohol concentration, there is a loss of coordination, incoordination, and the steady gait will be effect, it will be produces. Some person that will be used is alcohol as an aphrodisiac agent, but it is not a true aphrodisiac agent. It will be used in the case of also hypnotic as well as diaphoretic individual. Whenever there is a alcohol damages brain and impairment of the frontal lobe occur. So whenever there is a frontal lobe damage will be happen, it produces, there is a judgment will be impaired, concentration will be decreased, and the reaction time will be decreased. So that's why there is a more road traffic accident occur when such person driver was under the influence of alcohol. There is a second will be the impairment in the parietal lobe. So that's why there is a deep personalization and the abnormality in the orientation. Means there is a orientation to the time, place, and the person will be destroyed. There is a temporal lobe impairment damage that will be seen. So that will produce memory defect, alcoholic blackout. There is a defect in the language reception, difficulty in understanding, difficulty in the listening. Impairment of the occipital lobe, it produces impairment of the visual acuity, and the blurred vision produces effect. That blurred vision that is produces, it is due to occipital lobe damage. So from the front to the back, there is a frontal lobe damage, parietal lobe damage, then temporal, then the occipital, and various effect of the produces such effect. It is a acute poisoning. It will be known as intoxication or the inebriation, in which whenever there is a up to 50 milligram percentage, then there is a stage of sobriety or the descent, no such significant effect, or the mild euphoria or the normal behavior that will be seen. 50 to 100 milligram percentage, in which there is a stage of euphoria or the delighted, decreased inhibition, increased self-confidence. There will be decreased attention span, alteration of judgment, and the nystagmus. The third one will be the 100 to 150 milligram percentage. Whenever there is a blood concentration will be 100 to 150, then there will be stage of excitement and the person will be in the delirious state. So there is a mental confusion, emotional instability, loss of critical judgment, impaired memory, sleepiness, slow reaction time. Fourth one will be the when the alcohol concentration will be increased from about 150 to 200 milligram percentage, then there will be stage of confusion will be started, and this effect it is known as DAST effect. There is a loss of muscular coordination, there will be staggering gait, marked mental confusion, exaggeration of emotion, dizziness, decreased pain response, disorientation, and the slurred speech effect that will be presented. Whenever there is alcohol concentration will be increases about 200 to 300 milligram percentage, then this effect it is known as stage of stupor, and the person will be known as dejected. So general inertia, marked incoordination, marked decrease in the response of stimuli, and the person will be possibly passes into the coma. 300 to 500 milligram percentage, there is a stage of coma, and this effect it is known as dead, drunk, anesthesia, depression of the response, deep coma, hypothermia, and the labor breathing. Above 500 milligram percentage, there is the stage of death, and death occurred due to respiratory failure. Medical legally stage 3 and the stage 4 are of alcoholic intoxication are the important, since most of the offenses are associated with the drinking that are committed during these two stages. Make event sign are mostly seen in the case of stage 6, that will be 300 to 500 milligram percentage, in which that will be stage of coma. Then because in which there is a pinching of the skin, it will be produces opening of the eye with closation. Micturition syncopes that will be seen in the case of heavy drinker, that will be Munich beer heart, that is seen in excessive and the prolonged beer drinker, in which there is a hypertrophy of the heart will be seen. After recovery, for a few hours of the sleep, with some residual after effect consisting of the headache, irritability, fatigue, nausea, and the abdominal discomfort are produced. And such effect it is known as hangover. What is the cause of death? In the case of this, there will be direct depressive on the brainstem by the respiratory center, and sometimes the person is there will be aspirated, so vomit or the aspiration will be the cause of death. Symptom, the stage of excitement, there will be 100 to 150 milligram percentage. There is a feeling of well-being and the excitation. Second one will be the action, speech and the emotion are the less restrained. There will be increased confidence and the lack of self-control. Disclosure of the secret. There will be this effect known as stage of excitement. It will be 100 to 150 milligram percentage of the alcohol. There is a good manner, normally good manner, that is the forgotten, means wearing the proper clothes, standing or sitting proper behavior, this will all will be forgotten. Impaired cognitive function, slurring of speech, uneasiness and the drowsiness occur. There is the impaired memory, disturbance in the recall memory, reduced perception, there is the increased desire of the sex occur, but again there will be marked impaired performance, prolonged intercourse that will be without ejaculation. There is a decreased concentration and the reduced visual acuity, people will be dilated, and this effect produces, there is a alcohol gaze nystagmus effect that will be seen. Second one will be the stage of incoordination, in which this effect will be seen whenever there is a blood alcohol concentration will be the 150 to 200 milligram percentage, 250 milligram percentage, in which person become quarrelsome, sleepy, clumsy, incoordination of fine and the skill movement, alteration in the speech and the fine finger movement. There is a nausea and vomiting, bad smell of the alcohol that will be present, loss of sensation, decrease in the temperature and the increase in the case of heart rate. So tachycardia will be observed. Stage of coma, it will be mostly seen after the 250 milligram percentage concentration, in which speech become thick and the slurring. There is a coordination will be markedly impaired. So there will be incoordination, coma, rapid pulse, constricted pupil, micturition syncope, Munich beer heart, and the McEwen sign, in which first pupil will be constricted, but when there is a pinching occur, there is a slowly dilatation occur, and after again there will be a constriction of the pupil will be observed. Fatal dose, that will be 150 to 200 ml absolute alcohol consumed within the 1 hour, and the fatal period is about 12 to 24 hours. Diagnosis, bedside test, 1 ml of solution plus 1 ml of acetic acid and the 1 drop of sulfuric acid in the test tube. Heated gently for 1 minute, a characteristic fruity odor that will be positive for the ethanol. Blood alcohol level by the immunoassay or the gas chromatography, indirectly by analyzing breath alcohol with the help of analyzer. So that's why blood alcohol will be also diagnosed by the immunoassay and the gas chromatography, and indirectly by the assuming blood alcohol, breath alcohol with the help of instrument. It is known as breath analyzer. What is the treatment? Mostly treatment will be evacuation of the stomach and the bowel. Gastric lavage should be done with the alkaline solution. Stomach was not useful if done after the 2 hours of ingestion. Patient should be kept warm. There will be 1 liter of normal saline with 10% glucose, 100 milligram thiamine and 15 units of insulin are the useful. If there is a coma will be deepened, then there will be as a antidepressant, caffeine should be introduced. Supporting measure with special reference to prevention of aspiration and the replacement of the fluid and the electrolyte. There will be alcohol. Most important treatment in the case of alcohol will be the hemodialysis. Postmortem appearance on opening of the body. Smell of alcohol frequently noted. There will be rigor mortis will be prolonged and the decomposition will be retarded. Congestion of the conjunctiva, acute inflammation of the stomach, brain, liver and the lung will be congested. What is the chronic effect? Means the person uses the alcohol for the long duration. In that case, effect it is known as chronic poisoning. There is those who have reached a state of more or less irreversible somatic brain changes by the alcohol. It is characterized by there is the desire for the alcohol intake will be increased. There is a blackout during the intoxication. Means there is a temporary anterograde amnesia occur. And the withdrawal symptom on ceasing alcohol intake that will be present. It will be nausea, vomiting, anorexia and the diarrhea, jaundice, tremor, insomnia, loss of memory, impaired power of judgment, hypoproteinemia, and the general anasarca will be produces effect. Person become chronic when there is a such will be common terminology. Complication in the case of GIT, it produces gastritis, diarrhea, and after oropharyngeal or the esophageal gastritis, it produces further inflammation. It produces converted into the carcinoma. There is a liver, fatty liver, portal hypertension, cirrhosis, and the carcinoma will be occur. Pancreas, there is a acute or the chronic pancreatitis will be seen. In the case of cardiovascular system, there is a cardiomyopathy, dysrhythmia, and the hypertension will be seen. In the case of CNS, there is a damage occurred to the neuron. So there is a polyneuropathy, cerebellar degeneration, amblyopia, stroke, demyelination of corpus callosum. There is a known as Murchia-Begnani syndrome, in which there is a degeneration of the corpus callosum occur because of there is a nerve fiber will be demyelinated, and that's why this syndrome it is known as Murchia-Begnani syndrome. Respiratory symptom, there will be aspiration pneumonia, asthma. In the case of endocrine, there will be hypogonadism and the feminization in the case of male, amenorrhea, menorrhagia, infertility in the case of female. Blood, in which person is long the alcohol and there is no such proper nutrition had been taken by the person. So person having the anemia and the thrombocytopenia, that will be blood effect. Skeletal muscle will be myopathy. Neuropsychiatric, there will be memory disturbance, Wernicke's encephalopathy, Korsakoff psychosis, dementia, as well as hallucination. In the case of Wernicke's encephalopathy, there is a global confusion. Person having the ophthalmoplegia as well as incoordination of the movement. So this effect, it is known as Wernicke's encephalopathy. If the person is not recovered from this stage, then it will be further passes into the next stage. It is known as Korsakoff psychosis. So there will be fatty liver, liver cirrhosis, fibrosis, and then lastly liver cirrhosis that has been present. It is known as alcoholic liver damage. These are the various body effects. Alcohol withdrawal symptom, that will be known as common abstinence syndrome. That will be known as 6 to 8 hours after the cessation. There is a tremor, agitation, sweating, nausea, headache, and the insomnia that will be seen. Alcoholic hallucinosis, it will be seen. That will be after the 24 to 36 hours. Person having the chances of convulsion. So it is known as rump fit. It is also known as seizure. So it will be seen after the 7 to 48 hours. There is a chronic tonic conversion without loss of consciousness. Person having the alcoholic ketoacidosis, that will be present 24 to 72 hours. So drowsiness, confusion, tachycardia, tachypnea, and this tachycardia, tachypnea progresses to the cosmal breathing pattern. And person having such, that will be an elevated anion gap metabolic acidosis, and the coma that will be seen. And the delirium tremens, that will be seen after 3 to 5 days of the alcohol withdrawal. It is a psychiatric emergency in which there is a clouding of consciousness, disorientation, loss of recent memory, hallucination, and the hallucination that will be observed, it is known as visual or the auditory or the tactile hallucination. Person having the psychomotor agitation with restlessness, person having the tremor, ataxia, prolonged insomnia, dehydration, as well as there is a electrolyte imbalance occur, and this effect it is known as delirium tremens. Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, it is mostly occur due to person is not taking the nutrition and deficiency of the vitamin, that is known as thiamine deficiency, and this produces Wernicke's encephalopathy. There is a nystagmus, ophthalmoplegia, and the ataxia, disorientation, drowsiness, amnesia, and the peripheral neuropathy. If the person is not recovering from this stage, then this next stage will be passed. It is known as Korsakoff psychosis, in which there is a impairment of the memory occur, and that will be confabulation, means the recent memory that will be replaced by the new memory that will be added, and so memory gap that will be present. It is known as confabulation. Pathological changes seen in the case of thalamus or the part of the brainstem. There is a known as effect that is known as alcoholic palimpsest or alcoholic blackout. There is a condition that will be seen among the alcoholic, and that will be rarely in the case of non-addictive drinker after drinking moderate amount of alcohol. The behavior that resemble, it is known as blackout in the anoxemia. What will be the treatment? The mostly antabuse, that is known as disulfiram. It will be used for as a antidote for the chronic ethyl alcohol poisoning by adding by giving the disulfiram, it blocks the production of, it blocks the conversion of the acetaldehyde to the CO2 plus water. So there will be more accumulation of the acetaldehyde in the presence, in the person having the chronic alcohol poisoning. And this acetaldehyde having the such effect of the greater abdominal discomfort, there will be nausea and the vomiting occur. So that's why person will be refused to take the alcohol. There will be saturated calcium carbamide. Again, chlorpromazine, clonidine, antipsychotic drug will be given to lower down the psychotic effect. There is the chloromethazole, O2 inhalation, hemodialysis, supportive psychotherapy, and the group counseling that will be needed. Alcoholic Anonymous, there is a self-support organization, and these are the person, institution that working for the supporter of the alcohol dependent, in which there is a desire to stop the drinking, it will be prevented. Now what is the drunkenness? With this effect that is known as person under the influence of alcohol producing, doing such crime and such examination of that person, and that person it is known as drunkenness. So condition that is produced in a person, the person that has taken the alcohol in such a quantity that causes the loss of control of his faculty to such an extent that he is unable to execute safely the occupation that he was engaged at a particular time. So there is a loss of control over his mental faculty. There will be person is inability to perform his or her duties, and this person is dangerous to the himself or herself and also to the other. So in the case of society, it will be this person are the damage. Also and the diagnosis depending upon the sign and symptom. Model scheme, it is a first consent for the examination is needed, preliminary data and the history. First of all, exclusion of the injury and the pathological status. Whenever we examining such person, head injury as well as pathological state should be removed out. There will be person having such symptom, and this same such symptom will be also presenting in the case of head injury, metabolic disorder, neurological disorder, or the drugs that will be insulin, barbiturate, or the morphine. In the pre-existing psychological disorder, there will be hypomania, general paresis, high fever, exposure to carbon monoxide. In all these cases, same sign symptom will be present. So, whenever there is a such patient should be come for the examination, this should be firstly will be excluded. Second one will be the history of relevant events should be taken. Third one will be the general behavior, general manners and the behavior, state of dress, presence of slobber in the mouth or the clothing presence, soiling of the cloth, speech that will be typed, certain taste phrases should be noted, self-control should be noted, memory and the memory of certain event and the time should be assessed, handwriting, person should be asked to write some paragraph. So time that should be taken for the writing of such paragraph, repetition or the omission of the letter, ability to read his own writing, it's all should be noted. Pulse should be taken. In the case of alcohol, it will be rapid, full and the bounding pulse. There will be temperature, slight rise of the temperature. Skin will be noted whether dry, moist, flushed or the pale. Mouth, there is a state of mouth, teeth and the tongue will be noted. Whether the tongue will be dry, flawed or the bitten. Smell of breath should be noted. Eye, general appearance, whether the swollen, red or congestion of the conjunctiva. Color of the eye should be noted. Visual acuity, any gross effect should be noted. Interesting muscle, that will be pupil and the reaction to the light is noted. Extracting muscle, that will be convergence, strabismus, nystagmus, that will be noted. Ear, gross impairment of the hearing and the abnormality of the drum is noted. Gait, manner of the walking, straight, irregular and the unsteady. Reaction to the direction to the turn, manner of turning, balance, lurch forward or reel to the one side, all this should be properly noted. Muscular coordination, there is a finger test, finger to nose test, picking small pieces of the paper from the floor. There is the lifting of two objects simultaneously. This all should be test of the muscular coordination. Reflexes, knee and the ankle responses, sluggish, plantar, flexor and the extensor should be noted. Pulmonary, cardiac and the alimentary system should be examined. Lab investigation, concentration of alcohol in the case of blood, urine, breath and the saliva should be noted. Opinion, the first opinion that an individual has not consumed the alcohol. We are giving such opinion if there is no such alcohol smell in the breath and all findings on the examination are normal. Second one, individual has consumed the alcohol but it is not under the influence of alcohol, means the alcoholic smell present in the breath and the laboratory investigation is revealed alcohol but there is a finding on the physical examination are the normal. Second one, third one, individual has consumed the alcohol and is under the influence. If there is alcoholic smell in the breath present, laboratory investigation reveals the alcohol and the physical examination reveals abnormal finding. Authentication, signature of medical officer, his name, designation and the time of concluding the examination should be noted. Concentration of alcohol in the urine is 25% more than blood concentration. Ideal preservative is the phenyl mercuric nitrate. Collection of the blood. Spirit must not be used for the clearing skin and the needle should be free from the alcohol trace. Skin should be cleaned with 1:1000 mercury chloride. Whenever we take the blood for the alcohol person, from the alcohol person, spirit must not be used and the skin should be cleaned with the mercury chloride or the wash with the soap and water. Sample should be preserved by the adding 100 mg of sodium chloride and 30 mg of potassium oxalate for the 10 ml. In the collection of the postmortem sample, vein of the leg, thigh or the arm from which sample are taken. Rule of thumb is very much noted that in every ounce of an 80-degree proof liquor will raise the blood alcohol concentration by 25 mg percentage. Average elimination rate about 15 to 20 mg percentage per hour. For analysis of alcohol from the urine, always take the second sample of urine should be collected after 30 minutes of bladder emptying the first sample. And to calculate concentration of alcohol in the blood from the urine alcohol level, multiply the latter by the 0.66. This gives the rough estimate of the blood alcohol level. Urine alcohol concentration is more precious and the more preferably than the blood alcohol concentration. Amount of alcohol in the urine represent the alcohol in the blood 30 minutes previously. Ratio for calculating blood alcohol concentration from that of urine, it is about 1.33:1, means 1 ml of alcohol, 1 ml of blood that contains the alcohol, it is the same equivalent about 1.33 ml of urine. Widmark formula that is used for the account the size and sex of the person and the alcohol liquor consumed, it is known as A is equal to PRC, weight of alcohol, it is known as A, P is equal to body weight in kilogram, R it is a constant, C is equal to concentration of alcohol in the case of blood. So, medical terminology varies. If there is a less than 10 mg percentage, person will be sober. 20 to 70%, person is under the person having the drinking state. 80 to 100 mg, then there will be under the influence. 150 to 300 mg percentage, then it is known as drunk state. And the greater than 400 mg percentage, it will be a coma. Method for determining blood alcohol will be Kozelka and the Haim test, Cavett test, and for the medical legal purpose, gas chromatography, it is the most reliable method. Breath analyzer machine, drunkometer, drunkotester, intoxicometer, alcometer, alco test, breath analyzer, this all will be instrument that is used for the breath analyzer machine. And the 1 ml of blood that contains the alcohol, it is equivalent to the 2100 cc of alcohol in the presence of breath. So, it is known as Henry's law. What is the hazards of alcohol? If there is sometimes there is so much exposure, means the dose that is taken, fatal dose, there is a death occur, person having the aspiration of the alcohol in the lung, it produces pneumonia. Sometimes it will be taking with the meal, it produces foreign body obstructed in the trachea, it produces death of the person, it is known as choking. There is sometimes vomit will be inhalated, there is a person will be fall down and the head injury occur, there is a fall into the water when the person passes nearby to the water, there is a person may be electrocute himself, there will be motor driving, may danger to the other, and the Saturday night palsy in which the person will be long duration of sleep in the one position that produces Saturday night palsy due to damage to the radial nerve. Alcohol that will be exert deleterious effect on the coordination skill and the visual acuity of a road use, whether the pedestrian or the motorist. At present in India, total prohibition is in force only in the case of Gujarat. Nowadays, there is a Bihar and the Kerala is also introduced. The blood alcohol level as low as 60 mg percentage are to be involved wisely in an accident as compared to the sober driver. Drinking vehicle under intoxication is an offence in India according to Section 185 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 in the form of fine up to 2,000 rupees or imprisonment can extend up to 6 months or the both of the second offence person has committed within the 3 years of previous one. Then this punishment will be increased up to the 3,000 rupees and the 2 years imprisonment. There is a statutory limit in the case of USA, means the safe limit. In the case of USA, it will be 80 to 150 milligram percentage. UK is allowed up to 80 milligram percent. Norway, it is about 50 milligram percentage. And in case of India, it is about 30 milligram percentage. Breath analyzer are only on the spot test that is used to detect the alcohol in the case of breath of the suspected person. Ethanol, moderate alcohol consumption decrease the risk of sudden death caused by cardiovascular system because it increases the HDL and the decreases the LDL, increases the fibrinolytic activities also. Red wine offers maximum protection to the heart. Daily consumption must not exceed 2 to 3 drinks per day. Standard drink about 45 ml of distilled spirit or 150 ml of wine or 350 ml of beer. Contraindicated in the case of alcoholic, patient on medication, mental disease and the old age. There is a section 85 and the 86 IPC. If the person has so much drunk and he was not able to knowing whether the act was right or wrong, it is still punishable as according to section 86 IPC. Unless the alcohol that has been given without the knowledge or against his will, in that case section 85 IPC is applied and the person will be criminally not responsible. The incidence of accident, fall, drowning, burns, traffic injury are also more common whenever there is intoxication individual. Suicide attempt are made after alcohol intoxication also. Section 53 CRPC 1 is applied in the case of person arrested and the accused for the alcohol drink and the came for the examination and such person is not giving the consent for the examination. In that case, section 53 CRPC 1 should be applied. Postmortem alcohol will never exceed about 50 milligram percentage. There is a section 304 capital A is applied if person died while under treatment from the doctor who was intoxication. Doctor can imprison or state medical council can remove his name from the medical register. There is a cocktail. This term it will be known as mixing of drink. So these are all regarding the alcohol. Thank you very much.